Sloths, the slow and extraordinary tree-dwelling animals. Sloths are among the most unique and fascinating mammals on Earth. Known for their extremely slow movements and calm lifestyle, they have evolved over millions of years to perfectly fit life in tropical forests. They belong to the group Folivora and are closely related to anteaters and armadillos. Sloths spend almost their entire lives in trees, hanging upside down from branches, moving slowly and carefully to conserve energy. In terms of lifespan, sloths live longer than many animals of similar size. In the wild, they typically live between 20 and 30 years, while those living in protected environments, such as wildlife reserves or zoos, can live even longer. Their slow metabolism plays a major role in this, as it reduces stress on their bodies and helps them conserve energy over time. Sloths are mainly found in Central and South America, and the country with the highest population of sloths is Brazil. This is largely because Brazil contains a large portion of the Amazon rainforest, which provides the warm climate, dense tree cover, and food sources that sloths need to survive. The morphology, or body structure, of sloths is highly specialized for life in trees. They have long, powerful arms that are stronger than their legs, allowing them to hang effortlessly from branches for long periods. Their curved claws act like hooks, helping them grip tree limbs securely. Their fur is thick and often hosts algae, giving it a greenish tint that helps them blend into their environment. Inside their bodies, sloths have a very slow digestive system and a large stomach designed to process tough plant material. Everything about their body is adapted for energy conservation rather than speed. Sloths are relatively small animals, usually weighing between 4 and 8 kilograms. Despite their small size, they are well adapted to their environment and do not need large body mass to survive, since they move slowly and use very little energy. When it comes to reproduction, sloths follow a slow and careful process. A female sloth typically gives birth to only one baby at a time. The pregnancy lasts around 6 months, depending on the species. After birth, the baby clings tightly to its mother's chest for several months, learning how to survive by observing her. This close bond is essential for the young sloth's development, but the slow rate of reproduction also means sloth populations grow very slowly. Sloths mainly feed on leaves, buds, and tender shoots. Their diet is very low in energy, which explains why they move so slowly. One of their favorite food sources is the cecropia tree, whose leaves are easier for them to digest compared to others. Occasionally, sloths may also eat fruits or small insects, but leaves remain their primary food. Sloths do not live in all countries because they require very specific environmental conditions. They need a warm, humid tropical climate and dense forests filled with trees where they can live and find food. Their bodies are not built to handle cold weather, and their specialized diet is only available in rainforest ecosystems. Because of these limitations, sloths are restricted to Central and South America and cannot survive in most other parts of the world. There is no single individual sloth that is known worldwide by name, but one of the most recognized species is the brown-throated three-toed sloth. This species appears frequently in documentaries and scientific studies, making it the most familiar type of sloth to people around the world. Sloths are truly remarkable animals that show how survival does not always depend on speed or strength. Through patience, adaptation, and energy conservation, they have managed to thrive in their environment for millions of years. In a fast-moving world, sloths quietly remind us that sometimes slow and steady is the best way to live.